Hey everyone, welcome to the Epson booth here at InfoComm 2025, where we're showcasing how Epson laser projection powered by 3-chip 3LCD is transforming experiences in modern spaces. Whether it's immersive applications, architectural displays, hybrid classrooms, or immersive art, we're delivering vibrant colors, high resolution, versatile installation, and real-world solutions. We're excited to announce 12 new fixed lens high brightness PowerLight L projectors featuring up to 8,000 lumens of brightness, a wide throw ratio coverage, and native Apple AirPlay compatibility. We're showing a massive 8K wall powered by 4 20,000 lumen 4K projectors, our interactive art display powered by 5 PowerLight L projectors, a full walk-in igloo room that's fully immersive, and we have our versatile ultra short throw projector in mobile cart or blended on an ultra wide display. So whether you're designing for education, simulation, live events, or interactive art, Epson laser projection delivers without compromise. For more information, contact your Epson sales rep.